Hello, and what are sales widgets and how do you use them on your website so that you can get more sales of your online courses? That's what I'm going to share with you in this video. My name's Sarah Cordiner and I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use these sales widgets from your online courses. Now, sales widgets, first of all, are these images that show up either embedded within blog posts or usually on the side menu of blog posts on people's websites. So if you're a blogger and you are blogging about a topic that you have created an online course in, or you're planning to create an online course in, having your sales widgets along here on the right hand side of your website, for example, is a really great way for your product, your courses to be in front of your readers and give them yet more opportunities to buy that course from you. So you would be mad not to be using up this real estate for your own advertising. Now, a widget itself is basically a little piece of code that creates this image here on the menu, so that basically when you click on it, it redirects your reader. Oh, that's going to a page doesn't exist. There we go. It's a good demo. It should redirect your reader to the place where they can buy that course or that thing from. All right, so that's what's happened there. I've just clicked on it and it's taken now my students to a sales page for an online course. All right, so what we're going to do is, first of all, we need to actually grab our sales widget, and then I'm going to show you how to pop it on the menu here on a WordPress website. So go into your online school. Now, I use Thinkific, and Thinkific's great for helping give you these widgets nice and easily. Now, when you're in your main dashboard area of your Thinkific online school, click on Market and Sell and then Sales Widgets. So you click on that Sales Widgets button and it will take you to a page where you're going to choose what product you want to share. So let's say I want to promote my How to Create Profitable Online Courses course. Choose the course that you want to download. Do you want to actually choose one of your affiliates? So you could actually select a sales widget for one of your affiliates to give to that affiliate so that it also aligns all of their sales to their widget. But we're going to create a widget for ourselves. It's your own course, your own widget. Now you'll see here a preview of the widget is showing up on the right hand side for us. So it will show the thumbnail of your course, the name of your course, the price of your course, and your sales button. So you can choose the colors that you want it to be here. Completely up to you. Obviously, you can align it with your own branding. You can change the text on your button, the color of the text on your button. If I wanted to change that to quick, get the discount now, then I can do that. So you can change anything you want here and that will update in the widget code there. So let's say I want to say, hurry, enroll now. Let's just put enroll now. There we go. So it's giving me that preview. I'm going to generate the code snippet and it will now give me this lovely gobbledygook here. Now all I'm going to do is copy this code and then head into the back end of my website. Now this bit will be slightly different for each of you depending on what page builder you use. Now you might be using, for example, Elementor, Thrive Themes. I use one called Beaver Builder. They're all the same, but basically you are going to your main menu and you will find the page builder that is used or installed on your particular site. So find that page builder, click on that page builder, and then click Theme Layouts. And that will take you to your templates for your blog. So I've got my post, i.e. a blog post template. And for me, I use Beaver Builder. So I'm going to click on the edit in Beaver Builder. For you, it might be edit in Thrive Themes or edit in Elementor. And anyway, it will bring up your main page. So it will bring up now my editable page. And you'll see here is where we can start adding in those widgets. So I'm going to go add a module. Now let's say I want to put this right at the very, where am I want to put it? Let's put it down the bottom. We're going to add some more in. So we're going to go for HTML. So I'm going to drag and drop HTML. Now HTML is basically all of that code. That is HTML code right there. So just so you know what that means. That's what, did I just drag and drop it there? I've just lost my page now. Here we go. And it will now give you a box to paste in that HTML code. So I'm just going to literally press paste and press save. And now that will be where that HTML widget box will now show up. So we're just going to give it a minute to load. And there we have the widget now showing up down there. So I'm going to press done and publish. And I'll now open up a blog post. So let's just go to my website. We'll go to my blog. We'll open up just one of the blog articles there. So let's scroll down and voila, there you now have the sales widget, and you'll look when I scroll over it, it gives me the option to enroll now. The reader can click on it and boom, it takes them to where they can buy the online course straight on my Thinkific online school. So there we go. That is how you create a sales widget inside Thinkific and add it to your blog template so that that will now show up. And I'll show you here if we go back to another blog. That will now show up on every single blog article. I mean, let me go to a completely different one over here. So that you don't have to go back in if you've got lots and lots of articles published already. There it is on a completely different blog showing up. It's in the template itself. So in all the past blogs I've ever published, this will now show up. And in all the future articles that I publish, that will also show up. Unless, of course, I go in and change it. So that is how you add sales widgets to sell your online courses directly from your blog templates to help you make more money from your blog and of course your online courses. If you found this video useful, don't forget to just subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to grab my free course creation starter kit at sarahcordiner.com/starter kit, which will help you get started creating your own profitable online course. I'll see you soon.